What's up guys, it's Miriam, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a squishy update. That means new squishies that I made. So yeah, let's get started. But before we get started, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever. However, I'm gonna post a video, and that also makes you a part of the IMR family. And today, let's shout out my cousin Jose Enrique Girong. I think that's his username. But shout out to him again because he just comments in my video. Just go ahead, guys, and comment in my videos. And you can just comment video suggestions, IMR family, so you might get a shout out in my next video. So, without further ado, let's get started. So I just recently made this today. It's this jumbo candy apple. I know what you're saying, guys. It's not jumbo. It's pretty big to my head, and it's fat. That's why I call it jumbo. It's actually very surprising of all my squishies that I made. And then I actually took off the ghost doll plastic and the jumbo candy apples plastic so I can just remake it and put it like this. The next thing, guys, is this other football push ball. I don't know if I mentioned this in the video yet, but I guess the next thing, guys, is this mini candy apple. I don't even know if I mentioned this as well. And I don't know if I mentioned this either, but I'll just mention it. The kawaii candy apple. I don't even know, but I'll just mention it right now. Next, I have, last but not least, I have this angry pillow squishy. It's not squishy at all. It's just a pillow, I guess. But since this has a defect and my old one has a defect, I'll take the plastic of my old one that is so squishy. See? It's all about the plastic. And I can't really put it in here, but I can't, so I'll just go take off the rounding thing of the plastic so I can just put it right over here. Okay, it's gonna make a big hole, so I'll just stretch it out and cut it by piece by piece. Okay, guys, now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it piece by piece. And I took off, you're wondering what I took off, it's the other pillow that is supposed to be raising. I took it off because it went cracking and not good, so I'm gonna take some pieces off. I might make a new squishy out of this, guys. You never know, maybe later, tomorrow. And tomorrow I might not post a video. I always post a video because we're going on a trip. So yeah. Okay, guys, it's stuffed now, so it's good. And I'm gonna kind of stuff it a little bit more off camera. Okay, guys, I now stuffed it, and I just want to thank you guys so much for 10 subscribers. It's beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever, however, I'm gonna post a video. Bye, guys. See you guys in my next video.